Most business owners think they have a marketing problem. They don't. They have a system problem. Take Alex. He had a good service, strong offers, leads coming in from Instagram, ads, WhatsApp, and his website. But every day felt overwhelming. Messages were missed. Follow-ups were forgotten. Appointments slipped away. Not because Alex was lazy, not because he didn't care. Everything was scattered. One tool for emails, another for bookings, another for CRM. Nothing connected. Leads leaked. Revenue leaked. Time leaked. And Alex kept blaming himself until someone told him one sentence. You don't need more hustle, you need a system. That's when he discovered GoHighLevel. Everything moved into one place. Leads captured automatically. Instant replies sent in seconds. Follow-ups running on autopilot. A clear pipeline he could finally see. His business started responding, even when he wasn't. Alex didn't work harder. He worked smarter. If you want the exact system he used, I created a free business system roadmap. Click the link in my bio, download it, and start your 14-day GoHighLevel free trial. Stop chasing leads. Start running a system.